Here we have for sale our June 2023 on a 23 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T30 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS in this particular example. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this is an L1 short wheelbase Highline panel van, finished in the fantastic deep black pearl. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline panel van of this age. We'll talk you through all of the enhancements that have been done to this particular vehicle with ourselves during preparation, what we've done to it mechanically in our van specialist workshop. We'll also have a really close look at the condition of this particular example as well, seeing as it is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Highline, you get a number of elements which come colour-coded in the body colour, which of course includes things like the front and rear bumpers and also the wing mirror covers as well, all come colour-coded in this fantastic colour, as I say, deep black pearl, which is this lovely metallic black. In terms of some enhancements that have been done at the back of the van here, so the first thing we can see is the lovely little rear spoiler, which has been subtly added onto the back of there, and then down below that, on top of the rear bumper, there's a nice carbon rear bumper protector as well there, which really does set the back of the van off very, very nicely indeed. This particular example has got a reversing camera, so on this age you get parking sensors front and rear as standard, but a reversing camera is a nice little optional extra, which is of course lovely to see, of course all factory fitted. In terms of condition here then, having a look at the rear of the van, it's looking very, very nice. Tiny little touch in just there I can see, but otherwise you can see, as always, what you probably grow to expect with us if you're used to our stock. This van has been completely detailed, so the paint is absolutely fantastic, smooth as silk on this van. There's a couple of tiny little hairline marks I can just see there, but that is being very, very picky. It is looking really, really smart, this van. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van, and the condition certainly continues in the back of here as well. So when you open the door, it will lock into place there at its sort of 90-degree position. If you give that a little push there, you'll see it says press on that little hinge. Give that a push and that will allow you to open the door right out to its full 180-degree position. Of course, you can do exactly the same with the other door as well. And in the back of here, we didn't replace this ply lining. This is the ply lining that came in the vehicle, but you can see the quality and condition in here is very, very nice indeed. We actually took this vehicle in part exchange. Lovely owner, company owner who had it previously, and as I say, clearly it's been really, really well looked after, and that also goes to show with the maintenance on the van as well. Toolkit is all present and correct, but yeah, it really does strike me in here as a van that has been very, very well looked after. Of course, paying close attention to these exposed painted areas in the back of here, it's very smart indeed. If we shut the rear doors, then we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So shutting these rear doors here. Looking here then down the passenger side. This is where I like to look in these videos. I like to look in these sort of more dynamic angles down the side of here, and especially on a black van like this, which has been, as I say, thoroughly detailed. This just looks like a mirror finish down the side of here. It looks really smart. All looks to be totally original. There's no signs that has ever had any paint down the side of there. That looks absolutely original and straight and clean, not even a pin dent to point out to you there. It's looking really, really very well. Opening up the side loading door then, just gives you another aspect of the bulkhead, the step, the load space from over here. No issues there as well. And then if we open up the passenger door, our first look inside the cab here. So again, looking at the passenger door card, the step, the floor, the seats, there's really no issues. So considering the mileage that this van has done, although it's high mileage, but it is in remarkable order, even underneath the seats here. I always mention that in these videos. It just goes to show the level of attention to detail that our guys go to when detailing these vans. We've got in-house detailers, and yeah, they do a fantastic job. Tiny little touch in just there I can see, but yeah, as I say, we're picking holes really for a van of this, as I say, this age and mileage. It is in fantastic order. Now, some more enhancements that have been done. So during our preparation, the van has been put right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. So they've conducted a thorough multi-point health check on the vehicle. and they've also done a full service on it as well, so replacing all of the filters. Also, while it was there, they fitted a set of lowering springs to the van. So the van is lowered about 40 millimeters front and rear, which, as you can see there, is not overly low. And we find that that is really about the sweet spot between the look of the wheel sitting correctly in the arch, but also practicality. So it's not overly low here at the front or the sides. So it's still very much a practical vehicle that you can use for work, pleasure, or a combination of both. So as I say, it's been thoroughly checked out, fully serviced, and the lowering springs all fitted there during preparation up at Bridgend Van Care. And then the other bits which have been done, so we've got a fantastic set of brand new 20-inch Navis Twin-5 alloy wheels, of course in gloss black. We absolutely love this alloy wheel. Again, anyone familiar with our vehicles will know this is our chosen Volkswagen Transporter wheel, has been for a little while now. Had these on my own Transporter van myself. I just, think they just work so nicely with the van. Also the sidebars as well. The profile of the actual alloy, I think, works really well with the profile of the Sportline style sidebars as well. So I think that does complement it nicely. There's also a set of roof bars which have been added, and then around to the front, all the grills have been changed for gloss black. So I say all of these have been upgraded. So this full top grille and the bottom grille has all been changed for gloss black, which makes a massive difference. And then that little subtle gloss black lower splitter there as well. And I think all in all, with the lowering, the wheels, the styling, I think it's a gorgeous looking van. In terms of service history, we do have a brilliant service history with this van as well. So before it came into us, we had evidence of 2 previous services which have been done either with main dealer or Volkswagen specialist, as I say, so that is, they've been done at relevant intervals. I think one in 2024, one in 2025, and then, as I say, of course, during our preparation, we have then fully serviced it again. So it's actually had 3 services now in total, bringing it all absolutely up to scratch and exactly where we would like to see it. Round to the front then, in terms of the condition here, there are a few stone chips, of course, to the bonnet, as you're going to expect. With something this has got 60-odd thousand miles on it, you're going to get a few stone chips here and there, but certainly not excessive, absolutely consistent with its age and mileage. And as again, same just on some of these, the painted front bumper here, you're going to get a few stone chips. It would almost be suspicious if there wasn't, to be honest with you, but it's, as a couple of little marks which are, as I say, just been neatly touched in, but as I say, in general, looking very nice indeed. And then finally here, looking down the driver's side of the vehicle, and again, looking down in these reflections here, it's a really nice bright and sunny day here today, and you can see that is just a mirror finish down the side. It's looking absolutely spot on. The tiniest little hairline mark there, tiniest little touch in there, but nothing significant to speak of at all. Inside the cab then, from the driver's side, and again, condition continues in here. Very nice condition of the door card, the step, the floor, the driver's seat. Of course, on these you've got twin armrests. You've got a little dial under here to adjust those, so you can set those to your desired height. Absolutely love having the twin armrests on a Transporter. I think that's really nice indeed. 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle, leather multifunctioning steering wheel, and again, really nice to see there's hardly any, little to no wear really on this steering wheel at all, which is very nice. On the left hand side then, you've got adaptive cruise control, of course, and on the right hand side you've got your onboard computer controls on there as well. You can see the van is all idling correctly, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 67,880 miles recorded, as I mentioned in the middle then. 6-speed manual gearbox, mentioned that at the start of the video. You've also got in here, which is standard on a Highline, heated windscreen, air conditioning, all of that comes as standard. Up on top of the driver's door, you've also got heated and electric folding mirrors, and electric windows, of course. And then into the centre, this screen in the centre here. So once you've stopped manoeuvring, as I say, it gives you this parking sensor display just there. But if I put the vehicle into reverse, that's where you've got your reversing camera display. And if I go on the app button as well, you can see this is where you've got your app connect. So you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on there as well. You just need to plug your smartphone into one of the USB-Cs there down on the left hand side, and of course you can connect your phone to this via Bluetooth, and you've got DAB radio on here as well. The full book pack and leather wallet is also with the van, and I think that about covers everything. So just to summarize, really well maintained van with services that we have got record of in 2024, 2025, and now, as I say, with our van specialist workshop Bridgend Van Care in 2026. So it has been really well maintained and looked after. We actually, as I say, we took the van in part exchange ourselves. A really nice company owner, had the pleasure of meeting and dealing with them. Enhancements that have been done with us, lowering front and rear, of course, brand new Navis Twin-5 gloss black alloy wheels, Sportline sidebars, roof bars, the rear spoiler, the carbon rear bumper protector, full gloss black front grills, and also the gloss black front splitter, fully detailed, ply lined in the back of the van as well. And as I say, during our preparation, full service, multi-point health check, so it is absolutely ready to drive away straight away with, of course, 2 keys as well. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen it already, I urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised and for sale here. We can deliver our vans nationwide, so if you're not local to us, not to worry, we can deliver this van to your door. We do an awful lot of that. If you're not local to us down here in sunny South Wales, we can deliver this van to you. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange finance at very competitive rates as well. Now, the vehicle is registered June 2023, which actually means it's got manufacturer's warranty, of course, until June of 2026, but the vehicle will come from us as standard with 12 months AA warranty, which gives you a £3,000 claim limit per claim if you needed to make a claim, with claims up to the value of the vehicle. Of course, you'd never have to do that, but as I say, it's nice to know that it is there if you want to. And of course, you have got the option as well with us to extend that warranty, so you can actually upgrade it to a 2 or 3 year warranty. So to go to 2 years, it's 399 plus VAT, and to go to 3 years, it's 599 plus VAT. But as I say, you have got 1 year as standard, free of charge with the van. Thank you very much for watching.